I'm videoing from it indoors because it's so windy outside. There's a lot of wind noise. I know the window is dirty, but I want you to see these little cloudlets here. They're absolutely beautiful. I hope they show up. The sun's shining right in my face, but then these hundreds of little cloudlets all together here. And as I say, it's very windy outside, and sometimes, because I don't know how to mute on the phone, I don't know how to mute the noise, the wind just makes it unsupportable for you listening at home. Because these tiny little cloudlets are so beautiful.